Costco, time to stock up.
Mommy, Daddy, empty.
It's empty?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Good job. Ohayou gozaimasu. It's just me and Leah today. Do you know you're such a good helper? Yeah, you are. Just picking up some groceries for the week. What? Squishmallows?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I try to go the back way so that I'm not tempted, and more importantly, she's not tempted, but at the very end, is Squishmallows. Thanks a lot, Costco. Tell me that ain't cute. It is so interesting that Costco strategically puts different types of products throughout the store so that you're tempted to buy it for everyone in the family. Power tools for the people that like to work on things. No more Pikachu? Toys for the kiddos. And just about anything for everybody, everywhere. And they know exactly what you want.
We can have no more coffee.
Strawberries?
Yeah.
Okay. First thing on the shopping list is avocados. So we bought some avocados the other day that were crazy expensive. This whole bag, what? $14. That's pretty expensive. I remember these being cheaper. So what? There's 5 in here. So you're talking $3.75, $3.80 each, or $2.80 each? $2.80 each. These are pretty big too. Hey, what are you doing with that cart? Come on. Next up is cucumbers. You want to go in the car now?
Yeah.
All right. I bought these tomatoes the other day and they were really good. Not organic, but they were sweet. Say strawberry.
Coffee.
No, strawberry.
Coffee.
Okay, better. Much better. The S sound with the kiddos. I don't know about your kids.
I do the S out too.
Oh, you do the S? She's learning the alphabet or how to pronounce things at school. But yeah, as I was saying, S sounds are challenging for whatever reason. Maybe it's in our genetics, but...
White apple.
Like apple?
Apple.
Oh, okay.
S is for apple.
Oh, S is for apple? No, S is for strawberry.
Oh.
A is for apple. Dude, this is the problem with strawberries off season. These are the organic ones. They are $14 per pack. But man, they're not looking so good. Man, I feel like these ones at the bottom are way better too. You can tell people aren't grabbing the ones on the top because they're not really that colorful. Am I gonna be that guy? I think I am. So we're just gonna get these raspberries instead. Unfortunately, these are not organic, but you know, they look good.
Yeah.
And I bet you'll snack on those, huh, in the car?
Yeah, this is for that.
All right, so for a vegetable, we're gonna go ahead and do broccoli. That's right, broccoli. Yeah, I love broccoli too. Let's see, when does this, February 16th? Let's check down here. This one's also February 16th, February 16th. All these are February 16th, so let's just go for this guy right here. Do you like broccoli roasted or steamed?
I don't know.
Roasted. I'm gonna be doing pizzas this weekend, so I'm gonna do a mushroom pizza.
Cheese pizza too.
Cheese pizza?
Yeah.
Cheese pizza? Okay, we'll do cheese pizza too. Harvest date $129, pack date $129. Okay, let's just see. These ones are different. $118. Oh, $129. That's the way to go. These are fresh. When we do pizzas or steaks, we're always doing mushrooms. You know, mushrooms are good when vegans use it as a substitute for meat because it's got a meatiness to it. Obviously, it's still not meat though.
Cookies.
Cookies?
Yeah, for welcome day.
Are we gonna be tempted by the cookies? You know, we have a lot of ice cream right now. You
No,
know that,
Daddy,
right?
Daddy.
What?
We only have 2 ice cream.
We only have 2 ice cream?
Yes, because we need for.
I don't think we need these. You know what? Kira can probably make us cookies.
Oh, that's
Want samples now? On the weekend, there's always lots more samples. But don't worry, I'll get you samples, okay? Since you didn't get cookies.
Daddy, now.
Something we need a lot of is apples. So our go-to apples are these Fuji's.
I want the Minnie Mouse one.
I don't think we need the Minnie Mouse ones though, honestly. You like those?
Yeah.
Let's see. These are $1.74 per pound. That's $7 for a bag. These guys, these are gala apples, $1.49. You want the mini ones? Okay, I guess we could get these. These are also a good deal, and you know what? Not just for snacking. but for juice. Look at that. Hey, are you happy? Mickey Mouse apples plus the Fuji's, win-win. Both of these put together, about $11. Cart's looking pretty healthy so far. What do we need?
Watermelons.
Watermelons?
We don't have no more.
Does mommy like watermelons?
Yes, yes.
You know when mommy was pregnant with you, that she wanted watermelons every single day? Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, these watermelons have been good. I'm going for that one right in the back. Yeah, this will be gone literally in one sitting for us.
The food is a snack.
The fruit is our snack? That's right. That's a healthy snack. Can you say healthy snack? Yeah.
It's my snack.
Yeah, so these girls know. We don't give a lot of snacks. Maybe once a day they'll get some kind of sweet or, you know, chips or something like that. But when it comes to fruit, all day, every day.
Daddy, Ronnie.
But we go through a lot of fruit because
Daddy,
of it.
Ronnie.
Oh my gosh, look at what they have. Do you know what that is? Macarons! Oh my gosh. You're her best friend today. I just want you to know.
This is the best sample.
Thank you. What do you say, baby? Oh, she's a happy girl. Thank you very much. I don't know if it's just me, but I love talking to the people that run the free sample stands. Always have very interesting conversations, including that one. She told me this story. I don't know if you could hear it, but she's saying another kid, when the mom said, hey, what do you say? He's like, only $6.49. That kid, he's gonna be a deal maker. Now this is a first. Ube flavored bows. Does that sound good? Wow. And that box is crushed.
Purple ones.
The purple ones? Let's see if there's more in the back. Let's do their job for them. I'm doing them a favor here. What? Yeah.
I hope
Hey,
so, Daddy.
is this what you want, baby?
Yeah.
That'll last for a while.
I love Uber.
You love ube too?
But
Me too. Something I need to restock up on is Parmigiano. So there's obviously two different kinds of parms here. I just get the more affordable one, which this is a 24-month one versus the 36-month one. So we've got a lot of leftover cheeseburger buns. So Judy requested ground beef, and I've been seeing this Wagyu stuff here. One nice thing about the Wagyu here, oh, this is 75-25, so lots of fat. I personally like a lot of fat. A lot of people want the more healthy, leaner version. This is 85-15. It is organic, but I'm gonna go for the fat. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Huh? Oh shoot, $16.99 versus $25. Oh, that's a good deal. I bet a lot of people are buying this. You want to know what's a good deal right there, but that's $88.12. So I'm gonna go for the Wagyu beef. There we go. Do you like Daddy's smash burgers?
I like McDonald's.
Oh, you like McDonald's? Well, Daddy makes a pretty good burger too, okay?
I like cheeseburgers.
Yeah, don't worry. Daddy's gonna make you some of the best cheeseburgers you ever had in your whole life. If you're gonna make a burger, try making a smash burger.
Okay.
That's what we make all the
I
time.
want samples, Daddy.
Yeah, we're looking for samples, baby. Smash burger is the way to go. Maximum flavor, minimum protein, so less meat, because it's obviously a smash burger. It's really easy to prep too. You don't even have to have like a proper smasher. You can smash it with a pot. Maybe I'll do a video. Yeah, you just use a bottom up hat. You need parchment paper. And what you do is you ball up your ground beef, put it in between the parchment paper and smash it with a pot, and then you got these really thin patties. And don't worry if it's really thin and even bigger than the bun, because when you grill it, it's gonna shrink up a little bit. Why, is there more snacks over there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over there. Oh wow, I just found the totally most hippie product I've ever seen. This is chicken bone broth that's organic. Wow. Is it frozen? Oh, you know what? It's not frozen. But you can see it's solidified. So that means that there's a lot of good stuff in this. Made with only 3 ingredients. What are the ingredients here? Filtered water, organic chicken, organic carrots. Interesting. I wonder why the carrots. $9.49. Well, that is kind of expensive. Best before $4.19. Oh, I'm totally gonna get this. This is a good deal, baby. That's a good deal. $9.49. I know it seems like a lot, but when you put bone broth into your soups and stews, or even just drink it, it is so good for the body. And you just heard a little bit of that coughing. bone broth. It's like medicine for the body. I think it's better than actual medicine. I'm a firm believer that food can be medicine, especially when you're eating and have a cart that looks like this. Okay, we're on the hunt for samples. Do you see any samples? Oh, I see a sample up there, baby.
Dad.
What?
I go Dad.
This girl's on the hunt. Mozzarella sticks, baby. Hello.
Like, enjoy.
Thank you very much. Hey, what do you say, baby?
Thank you.
Are those good? Was hot? Oh yeah, be careful. Man, it's like hippie day today. They've got the Harmless Harvest coconut water, plus the sparkling coconut water. I'm not a big fan of that one, but yeah, this one. Plenty of kombucha. So this is one I bought in the past. And then they got this one, our organic raw kombucha. Guava passion fruit is a flavor. Over greens, suja green juice. We used to buy that, but we've been green juicing quite a bit, so we don't need that. Okay, what's with that face? Don't let your face get stuck like that, okay?
I want that now.
Hello Kitty and Friends Boba Milk Tea Variety
That's my
Box.
favorite, Daddy. Please.
That's your favorite? Have you had it before?
No.
12 10-ounce
Daddy,
boba
Daddy.
cans, $14.
Dad.
We had hella drinks, hella chips, hella snacks, and we didn't really limit it. We try to be as strict
That was
and have a
unhealthy.
kind of a life.
That
It was
unhealthy.
well, like, unhealthy, but you know, once in a while doing that is a nice treat, and that's okay. Just letting loose. We let loose.
Cereal.
Yeah, you guys, she even knows that cereal's not really that
Only
healthy
cereal.
every morning.
Yeah. We need more whipped cream because we running out.
No, I bought whipped cream. Don't worry, we got whipped cream, okay? I like how you're looking out for your sisters, and I know they do have whipped cream. Oh, Kirkland brand whipped cream? Uh-oh.
Daddy, I
What?
want the purple
The
one.
purple milk? She calls this the purple milk. The milk isn't actually purple, but you know the bottle, the container, is purple, right? This stuff. So what is this? $4.23. Just see what this guy is over here. Oh, come on, come on. $4.18. I think that's the way to go. $4.23.
Mango.
Mango juice?
Yeah.
You're cold.
I'm
No deals on butter, but you know what I don't see is eggs. The eggs are gone. I think Daddy bought eggs yesterday. It's just a tragedy. All these chickens,
What we gonna do?
they had to cull the chickens. K-U-L-L is a code word for killing them. Sad, 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 sad.
Three more times.
Please, more samples? Okay, let's look for more samples. Oh, and by the way, in my last Costco vlog, business Costco specifically, I totally passed up the Topo Chico. I thought it was gone. Was back. Thanks for always commenting and
Daddy, I don't want
pointing out what I
Topo
didn't see.
Chico.
I was literally right next to the pile of Topo Chico. And they,
Pop.
I think they had the plastic bottles, but no, I thought that Topo Chico for whatever reason was not being sold at Costco.
Daddy, you on fire.
I'm on fire? Okay, I'm not on fire, but you totally got my hands all dirty.
You on fire.
But yeah, I didn't know,
Daddy's on
and it was right
fire.
there in front of my face, so
run.
appreciate you guys.
Daddy,
What I need is,
run,
you know what?
run.
Somebody said I should go live while I'm shopping. Would
Yeah,
that be cool?
Dada.
Would that be interesting?
Daddy.
Shout out to my friend Anton. I wouldn't be as open to like showing stuff. I would just kind of have my phone on the cart. But if you think that'd be kind of cool, let me know. I don't think we should get mango juice. We're just gonna go.
Yeah.
All right, let's get mango juice. Lately, what Judy will do for the girls, because we do cut this because it is very, very thick and sweet. We'll mix it with ice and a little water. Or lately, she's been making mango sodas for the girls,
Yeah.
where she'll mix
For
for dinner. Yeah,
She's
she'll mix
amazing.
this with Topo Chico, and the girls actually like it. Mango soda. It's a healthy soda, baby.
Do we have Topo Chico?
Topo Chico? Yeah, we do have Topo Chico at home.
Do you promise me?
Yeah,
You
we
don't
got.
promise me.
I promise you that we'll get you sparkling water, okay? I don't promise unless I know for 100% sure. And Judy does drink a lot of Topo Chico, so I do have sparkling water though.
We got more
It's the
samples.
same thing. More samples. Okay, let's see what else they got. Want barbecue sauce? Well, they're gonna serve it with something, baby. Want meatballs, baby? Just try one, baby. Hold it for Daddy. Can you just hold it for me at least? Hold it for me. Please, hold it for me. Smell it. I think you will like it, baby. Thank you very much. Wow, that was not recording the whole time. Oh, don't do that. How'd you like that meatball? It was actually pretty good. It had the bachans, Japanese teriyaki sauce on it. This girl just screamed at these golden srirachas. Why'd you scream at it? Because it's golden?
Yeah.
Huh?
I hope it's golden. I hope that's it.
Golden sriracha, tangy and sweet. Wonder why it's golden versus red. We don't need chips because we got a lot of chips at home. Speaking of sriracha really lost her way because it just doesn't have that same punch, that same OG original flavor to it. It's not good. I buy the Costco one now. Want crackers, baby?
No.
Are you sure? I think you'll like them. What? What? I don't see nothing.
No, but that.
What? See what? What do you see?
The cheesy.
See samples over there? Oh, the Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. Cloud pillow and throw set. If you really want the Hello Kitty throw set, I'm not gonna get it for you. Sorry, I'm just faking you out. These displays are getting crazier. I mean, just to step back and give you a look. Look at this. What is this? Catalina Crunch Cinnamon Toast. Ooh, 11 grams of protein. 0 grams of sugar. How do they do that? 9 grams of fiber?
We need more food than that, baby.
Oh, yeah, you're right. We do need frozen. Oh, stevia. That's what they're doing. We need more frozen strawberries so JB can make smoothies. I agree. We're going to get both, okay? Let's get one of these guys. Super frozen ones. We're going to get that. Plus, we'll also get the strawberry one. Wow, it's $20 just for these two. Okay, real